In this video, I'll show you how to shorten your LinkedIn URL for your resume. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn on your phone or computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to your profile by clicking on Me and selecting View Profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see your LinkedIn URL. By default, it may look long and include random numbers and letters. To make it shorter and more professional, click on Edit Public Profile and URL. This will open a new page. On the right side, look for Edit Your Custom URL and click on the pencil icon. Now you can customize your URL. Remove the extra numbers and letters and keep it clean using your name. For example, linkedin.com/in/yourname. Once you're done, click on Save. Now your LinkedIn URL is shorter and looks more professional. To add it to your resume, simply copy the new URL and paste it into your resume document, preferably under your contact details. And that's it. That's how you can shorten your LinkedIn URL for your resume. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.